Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey, unveiling the core reasons behind persistent financial struggles. But fear not, because armed with knowledge, you'll emerge victorious and break free from the shackles of financial uncertainty. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. So, let's dive deep into each crucial aspect. Your path to financial liberation starts now. Picture this, you're cruising down the road without a destination in mind. That's the reality for many individuals navigating their financial journey without clear goals. It's akin to shooting arrows in the dark, hoping to hit a bullseye. In this segment, we'll eliminate the significance of setting precise financial goals. These goals are your secret weapons, guiding every financial decision you make. Whether it's doubling your income or becoming debt-free in 3 years, having a destination in mind empowers you to craft a roadmap for success. 1. The magic of budgeting. Budgeting, often overlooked, but a financial superhero in disguise. Astonishingly, only 41% of Americans adhere to a budget. In this part, we'll unravel the mystique behind budgeting. Imagine having a financial GPS, guiding you through income and expenses, preventing those moments of bewilderment when you wonder, where did all my money go? Learn the art of budgeting, a powerful exercise that transforms your financial landscape and propels you toward financial freedom. 2. Balancing the now and the future. Now, let's debunk the myth that financial responsibility means sacrificing the joys of today for a distant tomorrow. Striking a balance between enjoying the present and planning for the future is an art that many struggle to master. In this segment, we'll explore the psychology behind finding this equilibrium, discover how making decisions today can positively impact your future while still allowing you to savor the pleasures of the present. It's about creating a harmonious financial narrative where both your current and future selves thrive. 3. Identifying and breaking expensive habits. From cigarettes to dining out, seemingly innocuous habits can silently drain your financial reservoir. In this section, we'll dissect the true cost of these habits, revealing how small expenses can snowball into significant financial setbacks. Smoking a pack a day or dining out regularly may seem harmless, but when we quantify these expenses, the impact becomes profound. Learn how to identify and break free from these expensive habits, liberating yourself from financial stagnation. 4. Mastering good debt versus bad debt. Debt, a word that often carries a negative connotation, but not all debts are created equal. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the intricacies of good debt, a strategic tool for wealth creation, and bad debt, the kind that can cast a shadow over your financial future. Let's dive deep into this ocean of financial literacy, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. Good debt and bad debt stand at opposite ends of the financial spectrum, each with its distinct characteristics and consequences. Good debt is an investment in your future, a calculated move that positions you for financial growth. It typically involves borrowing to acquire assets that appreciate over time, such as a mortgage on a home or a loan for a business venture. These debts have the potential to increase your net worth and contribute positively to your overall financial health. On the flip side, bad debt is the culprit that can lead to financial ruin. It involves borrowing for items that depreciate rapidly or hold little to no long-term value. Think of high-interest credit card debt accumulated through impulsive purchases, car loans for vehicles that rapidly lose value, or loans for non-essential items that offer fleeting satisfaction. Bad debt not only drains your financial resources, but also shackles you with interest payments, hindering your ability to build wealth. Understanding the distinction between good and bad debt is pivotal for financial success. It's not about avoiding debt altogether, but leveraging it wisely to enhance your financial position. For instance, taking a mortgage to buy a home can be considered good debt, as real estate generally appreciates over time. Meanwhile, financing a luxury vacation on a credit card can quickly spiral into bad debt, with interest accumulating faster than you can envision. Financial literacy acts as your shield against the pitfalls of bad debt. It empowers you to discern between opportunities for financial growth and potential financial traps. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions that resonate with your long-term financial objectives. 5. Stop the impressive spending. As the wise Dave Ramsey puts it, nothing will make you go broke faster than trying to impress others. In this part, we'll delve into the psychology of spending to impress people you might not even like. Understand the fleeting satisfaction of making extravagant purchases for the sole purpose of impressing others. Discover the long-term consequences of this behavior and why it's a losing battle in the pursuit of genuine financial fulfillment. 6. Pay yourself first. Welcome to the grand finale of our financial mastery journey, the profound wisdom encapsulated in the golden rule of wealth building. Pay yourself first. In this concluding segment, we'll unravel the transformative power that lies in prioritizing your financial future above all else. Let's explore how this seemingly simple yet immensely powerful principle can reshape your financial landscape, propelling you onto the path of true and lasting prosperity. Paying yourself first is not merely a catchy phrase. It's a revolutionary mindset that lays the foundation for financial success. At its core, this principle advocates for allocating a portion of your income to investments before addressing any other financial obligations. It's a deliberate and strategic move that ensures your financial well-being takes precedence in every financial decision you make. Consider it as planting seeds of wealth in the fertile soil of your future. By consistently setting aside a portion of each paycheck for investments, you are nurturing the growth of your financial portfolio. This approach transforms investing from a sporadic decision into a disciplined habit, eliminating the need for constant deliberation and decision-making. The beauty of paying yourself first lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It eliminates the temptation to spend your entire paycheck on immediate desires, shifting the focus to long-term financial goals. Whether it's contributing to a retirement account, building an emergency fund, or investing in assets, paying yourself first lays the groundwork for true financial security. Moreover, this practice aligns with the principle of delayed gratification, the ability to resist the allure of instant satisfaction for the promise of greater rewards in the future. It instills financial discipline, fostering a mindset that views each paycheck not as a means for immediate consumption, but as a tool for building a sustainable and prosperous future. As you integrate the golden rule of wealth building into your financial routine, you'll witness the gradual transformation of your financial landscape. It's not about the amount you start with, it's about the consistency and commitment to the practice. Small, regular contributions have the power to accumulate into significant financial milestones over time. Congratulations, financial champions! You've navigated through the key elements that often keep people financially strapped. By implementing these strategies, you're not just avoiding financial pitfalls, you're actively creating a future of abundance. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth insights into mastering your financial destiny. Until next time, remember, your financial freedom is not a destination. It's a continuous journey you're now equipped to conquer.